If you have looked into HubSpot but just feel like it is too complex or just too expensive, this might be the perfect alternative for you. Hi, I'm Jason. In this video, I'll be giving you a full Nutshell CRM walkthrough and help you decide if it is the best HubSpot alternative for beginners and small business. So what is Nutshell CRM? Nutshell is a customer relationship management tool that helps you manage contacts, track leads, organize your sales pipeline, and close deals more efficiently. It is designed to be simpler and easier to use compared to tools like HubSpot. Why consider Nutshell over HubSpot? HubSpot may be powerful, but for many small businesses it can feel overwhelming, while Nutshell on the other hand focuses on simplicity, giving you the core features you need without all the complexity. Once you log into Nutshell, this is your dashboard. From here, you can quickly see your leads, recent activity, and your overall sales pipeline. To get started, you'll want to add your contacts. To do this, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option, select People, and you have two options. You can either tap on Import Your Contacts, which you'll be able to upload a CSV file. You'll also be able to add contacts via another CRM or from your mobile device. Or if it is a case that you like to add manually, you can tap on Add Person. From here, you can fill in the contact name, email, and also company details and notes. This helps you keep all your client information in one place. One of the most important parts of Nutshell is the pipeline. To access your sales pipeline, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Sales. From there, you'll select Pipelines. After selecting Pipelines, you can tap on Add New Pipeline, and you have different templates that you can choose from, or you can select Start from Scratch. It all depends on what type of pipeline you want to create. So for example, you can have different stages like new lead, contacted, proposal sent, and close. You can simply drag and drop deals as they move forward. Another feature that I want to cover when it comes onto Nutshell is their AI feature. With the AI functionality, you'll simply tap on AI agents in the top right hand corner, and you can see you now have an email sequence writer, which will help you compose messages that will in turn get more replies. You also have their lead research agent, and you have sales objection coach, which will allow you to learn how to overcome roadblocks and close deals. And you also have sales pipeline designer. So you have numerous AI agents that you can quickly get access to. And also to access more AI agents, you could go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Nutshell AI. After selecting Nutshell AI, you can scroll down, and from here you can see different AI features that you can use. So for example, you could select sales, and from there you can see different AI features that you can use. The AI can help you summarize information, assist with writing emails, and speed up your workflow. This is especially useful if you're managing a lot of leads and want to save time. And one of the things that I really like about this CRM is their email marketing features. To access the email marketing features, you're going to select marketing from the top left hand corner. After you have done that, you can select email. Once you have selected email, you have two options. You can either send a standalone email by tapping on broadcast, and you could tap on create new broadcast, or you can set up newsletters that you can send out. So you could tap on newsletters right there. After selecting newsletter, you could tap on create new newsletter. Then you can give it a name. So for example, I'm just going to be calling it test for this example. Then we'll tap on create. After you have tapped on create, all we need to do now is tap on the plus right here, and you have different templates that you can choose from. One of the pullbacks I have when it comes onto Nutshell CRM with the email marketing is they have few templates. But what I recommend you do is select blank edition. After you have selected blank edition, I want you to open a new tab. So we're just going to tap on create new edition. Then we're going to tap on create. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, I want you to open a new tab, and we're just going to quickly go onto canva.com. Canva.com is a platform that you can use for completely free, and it is beginner friendly. You're going to type in newsletter, select templates, then you can scroll down and you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. Keep in mind any one of the templates that has a crown, that means that you need to be a paid subscriber. But even if you decide to go on the paid plan, it is still quite affordable. Now let's say for example we were to select this template. You can quickly edit the template, and mind you, you can put in clickable links and so on, and everything will still work when we copy it. After you're finished editing your template, you will tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then what I want you to do next is you're going to tap on see all. After you have selected see all, you're going to tap on embed. Then you're just going to copy the HTML code. After you have copied the HTML code, you'll go back into Nutshell. Once in Nutshell, what I want you to do next is you're going to pay attention to the right hand menu option, better yet, and you're just going to drag and place HTML. So we'll drag and place HTML right here. After you have added the HTML block, all you'll need to do now to edit it, you're just going to tap right here. Then right here, you're going to simply select this section right where you see I'm a new HTML block, and you're going to paste in the HTML code that you have copied from Canva. After you have pasted in the code, you can see an example right there. And what I recommend you do is simply select the bottom line that says your name and so on. You can remove that section, and you can see how it looks. From here, you could also send a test email if you want. And just like that, you have created your first newsletter, and you can start your email campaign. You can also set up drip sequences if you want, so you could tap on drip sequences. You have numerous options that you can use. But let's say you want to take it a step further. Instead of doing email marketing, you would like to do SMS marketing. You can also do that with Nutshell. By selecting SMS, you have the option right there. You can also select website. With website, you'll be able to create a landing page, and you can also create forms if you already have a website, and you can add it, and you'll be able to collect leads right there. You can also set up automations. You're given numerous options. You can also select their lead generation feature, and from here you'll be able to access leads. So you have different options when it comes onto Nutshell and marketing. So the other feature that we'll be looking at is their tasks and follow-ups feature, as this will help you to stay organized by tapping on the plus in the top left-hand corner. From here, you can simply tap on tasks. After you have selected tasks, this will help you follow up with leads and stay on top of your sales process. So you can simply tap right here, related, and you could select the related leads, and you'll be able to add in notes. You can also assign it to a particular team member. Then you'll simply tap on create tasks. So you have numerous options that you can choose from when it comes onto Nutshell CRM. If we were to go over to the left hand menu option once more and select engagement, after you have selected engagement, you can see that you are provided with a unique inbox. So you'll be able to monitor all of the different platforms that you're on. For example, you'll be able to monitor your leads from Instagram, Messenger, SMS, all of the different channels. You'll be able to monitor it in this particular inbox, and you'll be able to respond to them. So you're actually given a central command hub that you can message all of your customers. Now, let me quickly talk about some of the other features. So overall, how does Nutshell help you close deals? This is where everything comes together. Instead of managing everything manually, Nutshell helps you track leads, stay organized, and follow up consistently, which ultimately helps you close more deals. Now, beginner tips. To get the best results, I recommend that you keep your pipeline simple, update your deals regularly, and follow up consistently. And Nutshell isn't trying to do everything. That's actually its advantage. If you need a very advanced CRM, HubSpot might still be better, but for simplicity and ease of use, Nutshell does a great job. And if we were to check out the pricing of Nutshell, while you can get started for completely free, their monthly plan is only $19, and it can go up to $89 depending on the amount of features that you want and also the amount of team members. You know that it will vary. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful and informative.